Here's the HME Bow Hanger in use on the tree. You can see I've got my bow hanging on there. And in some locations, you just don't have a place to hang your bow. So with this unit, the bow hangs right out of your way. But if you want it, it's just a quick grab, pull it off the hanger, and you're ready to shoot. So it's super convenient. This is a nice, solid bow hanger. Supports my bow. It's got some little hooks here for a couple more accessories if you wanted to put them there. Maybe a scent wafer to hide your, like a cover scent up here or something. But it's super convenient. Screws right into the tree very easily. You've got it threaded into the tree and you can screw it in. Only takes a couple of minutes to attach it, so you can go almost anywhere with it. And it folds up right here, this pivot point, so it folds all the way up so you can easily pack it in or out of any tree and take it with you. And it's got a nice kind of rubberized hook on here, so it's nice and quiet when you want to lift that bow off of there and make a shot at your big buck. Hey, thanks for watching.